Hey guys, what's up you guys? How are you guys doing? Alright guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back again to another video. So if you're seeing my beautiful face for the very first time, you are highly welcome guys. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a remedy that would help you to remove laugh line. Hold on, you know this laugh line can actually make you look really old and very ugly, you know, because the more the laugh line comes out on your face, the more you are beginning to look older. So that is why I've actually come up with these well selected ingredients and put them together, you know, so that we could naturally and, you know, inexpensively remove those laugh line, you know, and then have your skin and your face looking younger. Now a lot of people have actually been complaining about how their skin is looking. Their skin is not looking nice, their skin is not looking glowing. They want to have a glowing skin, and then that's why I have said, okay, this video is dedicated for that particular request. Okay, so you go remove anything that has to do with aging, wrinkles, fine lines, and mostly around the eyes and also around the mouth. It will help you a whole lot. You know, these things actually come out with age, with cream, with stress, smoking, and all of that stuff bring these things on our face. So even if you are young, you know, don't say I'm young, I'm not gonna be having it. You might have it. So it is better you try this out at least, you know, occasionally, so that it is better you prevent than allowing it to come out on your face, because I'm not going to be there while you be crying. So watch the video to the very end so you could see all of the full ingredients, how I'm going to be using it, because I'm going to be applying it on my own face too. All right, let me take you right into the video. All right you guys, so to remove those laugh line and remove those smile line, you're gonna be needing this, and this is hibiscus flower. Yeah, so how I'm gonna be doing this is that I'm gonna go boil this hibiscus flower. Yeah, otherwise I would have blended it, but my small blender is broken, so I'm going to just boil it and extract the juice. So we're only gonna be using the juice of this hibiscus flower for this. Yeah, so let me take you to my kitchen. So this is my hibiscus flower juice. This is how it looks like. This is zobo. For those who know zobo, this is zobo. So I'm going to put in just a little of my zobo, and then we're going to be needing garden egg. Yeah, so this is what we're going to do, you guys. We're going to create this garden egg, and we're going to extract the juice from the garden egg. I've blended it, but no, I do not have strength now to blend. Let me just squeeze it and try to extract just the juice. So anytime I create my ingredients and I want to extract juice from it, I usually love to use my hand to just press it like this, and so that I can extract the juice very well. Yeah, since we're going to be using it on our face, my hands is clean, so I'm going to be pressing it and removing the shaft. I'm going to press it. I don't know, finish. We don't finish really. So after that, then I'm gonna sieve out the juice of this. I'm gonna sieve out the juice, and this is how the juice is. When you keep the juice, it's gonna get a little darker. So I'm gonna putting it into my hibiscus flower juice, and then we're going to be making use of rice powder. So I'm going to be putting about 1 tablespoon of my rice powder into this hibiscus flower juice and stir it. I need a thick consistency, so I'm going to put and stir until I have a thick consistency. Yeah, this consistency is perfect. And then we're gonna be needing Fuller's Earth clay powder. I'm gonna be putting about 1 tablespoon of my Fuller's Earth clay powder in here, and then we're going to gently stir and mix this up a lot so well. So here we go. This is how it looks like. Yeah, for your smile line, your laugh line, you're gonna use this to get rid of it. You apply it at most 3 times in a week, and all of those laugh lines will definitely be gone. This is a powerful remedy that removes wrinkles like crazy. Yeah, let's go and apply. So this is your remedy for laugh line. It's so thick. Yeah, I actually kept it for a little while, so it has been thick. Yeah, so what you do, you're going to take this and then you're going to apply it at your laugh line area. Alright, let's concentrate on that part. But if you feel that you want to use it all over your face, yes, you can still do that. Okay, apply it at your outline, and then, but for this particular one, do not apply it. Do not scrub it when you apply it under your eye. Okay, then you can apply it at this area where you might be having wrinkles. apply it gently around. Alright, you guys, so if you're having troubles apart from your under eye, then you can freely apply this way, and then you don't necessarily need to scrub your under eye. But when it comes to your laugh line, you can just simply give it a scrub. Just scrub it like this. Use your fingers, or you can use your two fingers, you know, to grab it very well. Scrub it like that. So after which you've done that, then you can just hold on. You know, maybe you just apply again. Let the treatment just sit there and dry. Okay. Let the treatment just sit there and dry, and you're good to go. Okay. So I'm gonna be leaving it on my skin, and then yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that's it. That is an amazing ingredient. You've already seen me use it, and this is really good. All right, so if you're having any wrinkles or you're having dullness, your skin you just do not understand, yeah, then try this out. You're going to be loving it. It is going to be working like magic for you, but make sure you use it just like I've said it in the video, and you're going to be happy you did. Okay, all right guys, so I'll see you again in my very next video, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share the video, and I'll come your way again. Bye, and stay beautiful.